Hello, my name is Jorge. I'm a solutions engineer at Verkada, and this video will cover how to search in Verkada Command. Verkada Command empowers users with advanced tools to quickly and efficiently search video footage, whether across specific devices, sites, or an entire organization. The search bar at the top of the Cameras page allows you to quickly and easily identify specific cameras. You can apply filters such as site, camera name, location, model, serial number, or status, including live, updating, or offline. Let's look at the corner view camera at our San Mateo HQ store. Or let's see all CD52E cameras across my sites. Verkada's people and vehicle search features leverage advanced computer vision to identify individuals and vehicles within the camera's field of view, making it easy to find relevant events. Now let's search for video footage related to an incident that occurred last Saturday between 4 and 4:30 p.m. by the main lobby door. During this time frame, people or vehicle events are filtered and displayed as tiles at the bottom of the page. You can easily switch between vehicle or people events. Trajectory paths for people or vehicles are also shown, making it easy to identify the direction of movement. The Motion Search Grid Overlay is a powerful tool for pinpointing events within a specific region of a camera's field of view. For example, you can search for activity around the tables outside this lobby, or investigate if someone tampered with the garbage cans or bike racks in this section. Filtered events are displayed as tiles at the bottom of the screen, with additional options to filter by the number of people detected or the duration they remained in view. Another powerful tool for efficiently searching and identifying footage is a line crossing search overlay, which enables users to filter events based on the direction they moved within camera's field of view. For example, let's search for people entering our B Street office, or by switching the direction of the arrow, those leaving it. Additional filters, such as the number of people and time spent in view, are also available. People Analytics enables users to search for individuals based on a set of predefined attributes, such as clothing colors, gender appearance, and whether the person is carrying a backpack. Additional filters for date, specific camera or site are also available. People of Interest enables users to quickly locate footage associated with a specific profile. You can search by the profile name, tag, or thanks to Verkada's native integration with license plate recognition cameras and access control, by filtering for users with a license plate, or by individuals who are access control users in the system. Adding a person of interest is simple. You can upload a clear photo of the individual to create a profile. Alternatively, you can locate the person in a camera footage, click the Options menu, and add them directly as a person of interest. Similar to People Search, Vehicle Analytics provides a simple and efficient way to search for vehicles based on attributes such as color, vehicle type, as well as date, site, and camera name. If your organization has Verkada Bullet cameras configured for license plate recognition, you can access two powerful tools: the License Plates tab and the License Plate of Interest tab. From the License Plates tab, you can search for any given license plate. For example, searching for 9AZD889 will display the number of times this plate or a similar plate has been detected. Alternatively, you can search for partial matches, such as a license plate including or ending in T606, for example. This functionality makes it easy to track vehicle activity and quickly retrieve insights based on license plate data. From the License Plates of Interest tab, you can search for a specific license plate previously added as a license plate of interest, or the name assigned to its profile. Adding a license plate of interest is simple. Just click on the Add button enter the license plate number and profile name, and save it. Verkada also offers AI-powered search, enabling users to locate people or vehicle-related footage using natural language queries, saving valuable time during investigations. To refine these searches, you can use times or dates in the query, along with the following operators: and, or, and not. These operators can be combined to create detailed and precise search queries, enhancing the efficiency of investigations. For example, an Amazon delivery person seen at our railroad door last Tuesday at 1 p.m. Once we get the results, we can filter for more like this, or we can tag people as person of interest, or we can create an archive if needed. Another example would be a blue car or SUV last Saturday around 3 p.m. It will search on all the cameras around our building, try to find a match, then we'll see the matches, and then similarly we can create archives or look for more like this. And lastly, another example, a construction worker not wearing a protection helmet, which could be useful for an OSHA-related investigation. This functionality makes searching more intuitive and efficient, tailored to real-world scenarios. One of Verkada's most innovative additions to its search capabilities is the ability to search for people or vehicles based on an image of an object associated with them, such as a purse, a left-behind umbrella, or other belongings. This powerful feature, known as reverse image analysis, leverages AI to analyze the uploaded image and retrieve relevant footage of individuals or vehicles connected to that object. By examining shapes, patterns, and details within the image, Verkada delivers precise matches across your camera fleet, revolutionizing how incidents are investigated. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.